post-silicon iteration without chaos in Altium Develop. The first build of a hardware product rarely tells the final story. Once boards reach the lab or the field, the real learning begins. The challenge is that many teams collect those lessons in scattered places, so when it is time for the next revision, they are working from fragments instead of a clear history. In this video, the focus is on post silicon iteration in Altium Develop and how to keep learning connected to the design. The aim is not just to fix issues faster, it is to make each revision smarter than the last. Post-silicon work often suffers from the same fragmentation that affects earlier phases, but the higher stakes lab notes may be written by one engineer, firmware observations may sit in another system, and customer or field feedback may arrive through entirely different channels. The team knows there is valuable information everywhere, but bringing it together is hard. By the time the next revision starts, some lessons have been forgotten, some are misunderstood, and some are remembered only by the people who happen to be there. This is expensive because post silicon insights are exactly the kind of knowledge that should compound over time. Instead of many organizations end up learning the same lessons because their iteration history is not truly connected to the product record. Altium Develop can serve as the shared home for those findings by trying issues, observations, and follow-up actions back to the relevant hardware revision and design context. A lab finding can become a thread linked to a component, a net, or a subsystem. A field issue can be tracked as part of the project narrative instead of as disconnected external node. As the next revision takes shape, engineers can work from a consolidated view of what was discovered, what was discussed, what changed, and what still needs validation. This creates a much stronger feedback loop between reality and design. The project workspace stops being a record only of what was intended and becomes a record of what actually happened once the hardware met the real world. Validation teams gain a more durable place to record what they are seeing. Designers benefit because the context behind a requested change is visible and tied to specific parts of the hardware. Firmware manufacturing and support teams can contribute to the same evolving picture instead of handing information off through disconnected channels. For leadership, this produces a clearer story of product maturity because each revision is visibly informed by the lessons of the last. To put this into practice, use Altium Develop as the home for findings from your next prototype or phase silicon cycle. Capture the issues in context, link them to the affected design objects, and let that workspace guide the next revision planning. Even one disciplined iteration like this can dramatically improve how much learning survives into the next board spin.